Hello, good evening, guys. My name is Sahil, and welcome to the channel. So, we have just started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes based on technical chart patterns and derivative data. So, continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing today is Bharti Airtel. So, let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes. So, as you all can see on your screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the Bharti Airtel stock. So the stock, this is the hourly charts of the Bharti Airtel stock, and you all can see that the stock has the stock was consolidating for a while and has made a symmetrical triangle pattern. And today, as of 3rd July, the stock has given a close of 581.25 and has given a fresh breakout out of this pattern. And we expect that the stock prices can move up from here. Whenever any stock forms a symmetrical triangle pattern and gives a breakout from the down levels, usually the stock prices move upwards from the current market prices. And, the stock today has cleared this breakout level, and we expect that the stock can move to that for the target one. The stock can move up till this levels of 589. Second, the stock prices can move to the levels of 599, and the ultimate target 3 for the stock should be 612. That was the high maximum high that the stock made on 20th July or 20th May, as you all can see. So that stands as the target 3, and if the stock breaks that level of 612, so the stock would be ready to move into blue sky zones, uh, where the stock where as the 612 stands as the next resistance level for the stock. And if we come back to the daily charts of the Bharti Airtel, uh, yes, let me just zoom in a bit for you all. So the volume today was greater than the average volume. So if the volume supports in the coming trading sessions, the targets that we are suggesting can definitely be seen coming in the coming trading sessions. And also, if you look at the other indicators like MACD and RSI, let me just zoom in a bit for you all. So the MACD indicator has given a fresh signal that uh, as you all can see on your screens, the blue line is just about on the verge of crossing the red line. So the next trading session would be crucial to see it. And as it has given a fresh signal, so usually the stock prices move upwards when there is a positive crossover on the MACD. And also, if you look at the RSI, so currently the RSI is at 58.57, which is okay, and it has given a fresh signal that it is moving upwards. So all the indicators are suggesting that the prices are heading towards new levels, and while doing so, a stop loss should be maintained at the levels of 553. And let's just confirm it with our derivative data also. Yes, so this is NSE website, the source I'm using to analyze the derivative data. So this is the call side of the Bharti Airtel stock, and the highest open interest, if we see, it stands at 600 level, while the highest change in OI stands at 620 levels, that is 7,71,867. So so we can expect that the stock price can give a move uh, till here, and it also matches with our technical analysis data. And if we see at the put side of the stock, the highest OI stands at 13,80,846 at 550 strike price. So the stop loss that the derivative data is suggesting 550 also stands the same and matches with our technical analysis data. So it is suggested that uh, the prices the in the coming trading sessions, the prices of Bharti Airtel will move upwards, and if and a fresh and the target one should the stock for should be 589, second should be 599, and third should be 612. And if it crosses the levels of 612, the stock is ready to get into the blue sky zones, and a stop loss of 550 should be maintained. And if any means if any downside is seen in the coming trading sessions of the Bharti Airtel stock, so that should be considered as an opportunity to enter into the stock. While before ending this video, there is a disclaimer that the above recommendation and analysis is only for the educational purposes, so do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching it.